joto media ni adom rokno tini singmo sarik jorabo press meet khainani nangka moni karon ke khana sini je Bubagra eba Tipra ni sing chairman sini borom nang Bubagra Pradyot Bikram Manikya ni asema sal o asema sal no regi sing sara Tipra motha YTF TWF je samung khainai samung budang khainai sara Tipra omnoti na saklai muni bagi no press meet ang omai sini borom nang spokesperson ni yapharo nai hotel kok sukul bai khnani bebare sai khnani.
Well, good evening, media friends, and first of all, let me extend my heartiest greeting to our Rasmata who is present here, and also the presence Honorable here, DebBarma, and we have here the Honorable MDC. DebBarma, the president of YTF, and also we have senior most Honorable MDC, Mr. Honorable DebBarma, and we also have TWF president, Puila, and we also have the promoter and the other warriors who are present here. First of all, we are here to brief the celebration that we are going to mark tomorrow as the Bubagra birthday. We are very happy and thank God for giving us Rasmata, who has given her only son, our Bubagra, and tomorrow we are marking as a very special day. Bubagra Maharaj's birthday is remarked as one of the very important and remarkable day that we call it Thansa Day. This Thansa Day is given and respected by the all indigenous people of the Tipra, and we are very happy to celebrate this Thansa Day as Maharaj's birthday. This Bubagra birthday won't be celebrated by enjoying, distributing sweets, or by enjoying like any other normal birthday is being celebrated. But tomorrow this birthday as a Thansa Day will be celebrated by visiting the sick people in the hospital, by giving them the food, by giving them the clothes, those people who are clothless, and those people who are suffering from the sickness and diseases, and also particularly those young boys and young girls, those are drugs addicted, having HIV/AIDS, those people will be taken care by this Thansa. And here the YTF is taking a lead to take care of all the necessity across the state, and the block and the district wise, every corner of the state is going to celebrate and remark this birthday as a very unique and very historic day, which we will remember in our future. This particular birthday celebrations will set an example to the whole nations of this country that birthday is not meant to expense or spend the enjoying luxurious life or enjoying in other means, but these celebrations we will enjoy by contributing to our level best to our needy people, because needy people need to be taken care by all of us, and we value those needy people and the poor people who really require our help and who could not afford to have a single meal in a day. So this particular celebrations will be as unique as I have said, and particularly the Thansa Day will be a remembrance by all the nations and by all the indigenous people across the country, because we wanted to set an example and change the attitude of the people in this country that birthday celebrations can contribute a new life, not only wishing and celebrating Bubagra as a new life, as a gift of God, but in this particular day, when we give the helping hands, the love and affections to the needy people, will be a new life, will be a new thinking, will be a new idea to change the attitudes of the people in this country. So this particular day, that is tomorrow, 4th July 2022, would be exemplary for the whole nation and for you and for me and for all of us sitting here and for all of us here who are media here. I think by doing that, I think we are going to set an example to the nations, to the people, that yes, we care for everyone. There is a people who need our help. There is a people who need your care. There is a people who need your love and affections. I think this day, 4th July 2022, of Bubagra birthday, of Maharaj's birthday, will be celebrated across the state in this manner. This is how we all came here together. Today morning we had a joint meeting with YTF, with Tipra Women, with TWF, and with TEF. All of us have unanimously agreed and promised that we will celebrate and show the example to the nations. So thank you very much, and we extend, please, the greatest gift that we can give to our Bubagra tomorrow on his birthday is by celebrating, giving the love and affections to the all the needy people. And we shall pray to God that Bubagra health will be kept healthy and he will live a long life to contribute his dedication to the people and to serve the people of Tripura and to serve the people of the nations. I think with that wishes, we all request each one of us that let us pray to God to give him a good health and to guide him and to protect him from every evil and from every incident and from every sickness and from every disease, so that as a leader that he may be able to set an example to the people, particularly to the younger generation, to the youth, that they may be able to follow the footsteps of our Bubagra. I think that prayer will extend and that prayer will heal him, that prayer will support him, and that prayer will guide and encourage him to carry out the work, the burden that the nations and that the Tipra is needing at this hour of time. So we thank you, and maybe now we will bring Komporok so that those people who don't understand Komporok or those who don't understand English.
You forgot to say they sending 3 truckloads of food to Silchar. That is a part of your program, I think. Which is more important when you talk about information. But Assam is helping people there.
Yes, and just we forgot to mention that the Bubagra has sent the food and clothes to the Assam 3 trucks to Silchar. So I think this is one way of helping to the people on remarking his birthday. So this is a great help that Bubagra is doing. It doesn't matter whether he lives in Tripura or whether he lives in different parts of the country, but always his love and affection and his help is being extended across the globe and across the nation. Thank you very much.
বাংলাদেশ
Oi,